Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of a Dogecoin, AVAX coin, Chainlink coin, MATIC coin that is Polygon and TRX coin that is a TRON. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. I have opened the chart of DOT against USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at this coin, currently this coin is moving in its downtrend where it has given breakdown of this descending triangle formation in this candle when it gave closing below 6.034. After this breakdown, it exposed the final target of 3.802 on a downside. If you look at this candle has successfully achieved this final target. Currently, price is moving at 4.539. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 5.271. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is also 5.271. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is sell on new breakdown. This coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 3.802. As this coin has not submitted a new breakdown yet, so we cannot predict its level on downside. But whenever it will submit a new breakdown and it will expose new targets on downside, then I will definitely share those targets on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will sustain above 5.271. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long term. But if you get a less risky buying opportunity on intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying on intraday basis. But for mid-term to long term, you should not trade against the trend. The next coin is AVAX coin. If we look at AVAX against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently this coin is moving in its downtrend. It has recently submitted a new breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 21.15 in this candle. After that, it exposed three targets on downside. First target is 19.05, that is achieved in this candle. Second target on downside is 17.38 and final target on downside is 15.08. We can expect the prices to fall on downside almost 30% after this breakdown. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on new breakdown, and this coin has submitted a new breakdown in these candles, and I have mentioned the targets on downside for this new breakdown. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is sell on strength, and that strength level is 27. If you guys have bought this coin at high rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 27. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial indication that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will sustain above 27. Before 27, I will not recommend for mid-term to long term. If you get a less risky buying opportunity on intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying into this coin on intraday basis. The next coin is Chainlink. If we look at this coin is also moving in its downtrend. It has submitted a new breakdown of this arc formation in this candle when it gave closing below 15.37. Currently, price is moving at 16.91. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is 17.86. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and you want to get exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 17.86. And the second strategy that we can follow in this coin is sell on new breakdown. This coin has submitted a new breakdown on these candles. After that, its prices can fall on downside, and where its first target on downside will be 13.93. That is the first target of this arc formation on downside, and its second target on downside is 12.48, and its final target on downside is 10.98, almost 11 is this final target on downside. And in upcoming days, if it fails to sustain above 15.37 and it again prices come below 15.37, its prices will definitely fall on downside and they will try to achieve its final target on downside, and that final target is 11. This kind is moving is a downtrend. I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this kind for mid-term to long-term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will sustain above 17.86. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. But if you get a less risky buying opportunity for intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying on intraday basis. But don't go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. The next coin is Polygon. If we look at this coin, in my last video in which I discussed the MATIC Polygon on my this YouTube channel, so this is a video I uploaded on MATIC 8 days ago. This is 11-minute video. In that video, I discussed this breakdown of arc formation when MATIC coin gave closing below 0.2799 in this candle. In my last video, I discussed that if MATIC failed to sustain above 0.2799 in upcoming days, these prices will fall on downside and they will try to achieve final target of this arc formation, and that final target is around 0.2248. And if you look at this candle gave closing below 0.2799 candle. After this candle made a low of 0.2300, and this low is very close to the final target that I mentioned in my last video, that was 0.2248. And we can say that this candle has almost achieved these both targets on downside. As this coin is moving as a downtrend, strategy that we can follow in this coin is sell on strength, and that strength level is 0.3173. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin, that exit point is also 0.3173. As this coin is moving in its a downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get an initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will sustain above 0.3173. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. But if you guys get a less risky buying opportunity for intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying on intraday basis. But for mid-term to long-term, I will recommend don't trade against the trend of a coin. The next coin is a TRON coin. I have opened the chart of TRX against USDC on 1-day time frame. This coin is moving within this falling channel formation, where the support of this channel formation is this trend line support, and the resistance of this channel formation is this trend line resistance. If you go on my last video that I uploaded on the TRX, same video in which I discussed the MATIC coin and share the levels that those are achieved today, those have almost achieved in recent days. I also discussed the TRX and I mentioned the level that TRX is moving in this channel formation, and if you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 0.1963. And if you look at this candle, the candle of 3rd of March 2025, this candle made a low of 0.1900. Exact level that I mentioned for buying in my last video. This candle made a low of that level. If you guys have bought at this level, and then in the same video, I mentioned that if you buy this coin at 0.1963, then your target will be the trend line resistance of this channel formation, and that and if you look at today's candle, this candle is exactly moving at this trend line resistance of this channel formation. So this target is almost 100% achievable. And if you have followed the levels those I discussed in my last video and have traded on those levels, then you must be enjoying almost 25% gains in that trade. Currently price is moving very close to the resistance, and that resistance is 0.2469. You can keep this coin in your watch list. If this coin give closing above 0.2469 and sustain above 0.2469, then you can go for buying into this coin at this level, that is 0.2469, and your first target on upside will be 0.2652. Second target on upside will be 0.2802, and 0.2808. This will be the second target, and its final target on upside will be 0.2999, and we can expect almost profit of almost 22% if it sustain above 0.2469 and you go for buying into this kind at 0.2469. But the other scenario is that the price is at the resistance zone of this channel formation, and if the price fail to sustain above 0.2469, its prices will fall on downside again, and they will try to touch the level of this trend line support of channel formation, and they will again fall on downside. And in that scenario, we can, if you guys have bought this kind of if you guys have bought this coin, then you can exit from this coin at this trend line resistance of this coin. And if you guys do short selling, then you can definitely open your short positions around this resistance level, and after that your first target on downside will be 0.2255, and your final target will be this trend line support of this channel formation, that will be around 0.1963. And in both scenario, and in this scenario, in short selling scenario, you can expect a profit almost 22%. So we have opportunities on both sides in the TRX, so you can keep this coin in your watch list. That's all for now. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss such informative content in upcoming days. That's all for now. See you in next video.